Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Special, and this is tips and tricks with Uspe. Today I'll be sharing a video that is based on effective online learning. So if you are struggling to concentrate during your online lessons, then this video is definitely for you. So a warm welcome to every one of you. If this is your first time clicking on this video, please do subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. But if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. Let's get into the video. Never ever attend your classes or attend your meetings sitting in your bed. Try by all means to make use of the desk. Number 2, always dress up for your classes. We will remember from the olden days, Guti, we used to dress up, we used to shower and go to class. Do the same, dress up, pick an outfit and prepare yourself for the next. Always declutter your desk. Try by all means ukwenza indawo yakho sebenzela kuyona ukuthi be clean and presentable, and only leave the important things that you might need during your lesson, unlike having a lot of books, a lot of papers that are unnecessary, and they might cause a lot of pressure on yourself because now you are losing focus and concentration because you have so much that is going on your desk. So always try by all means to clean and have a clean space that you are working in. If you are not using your phone to attend a meeting, just put it on silent, flight mode, or do not disturb, because really our phones disturb us a lot when it comes to attending anything online, because no one can see you that you are busy with your phone. Just try to place your phone upside down and then switch off those notifications, put it on silent, put it on do not disturb, and focus on whatever you are trying to understand at that moment in time. This one is important for students. Always make notes as the lecturer is going. It is important to make or to note down anything that was discussed on your lecturer. Try to summarize the whole lesson in a page just for you to remember and understand what was discussed on that day. Always have a snack. This one is also important. This will help you avoid making unnecessary trips to your kitchen, to your fridge. So always have water, always have a fruit or a bowl of sweets or peanuts just to keep yourself entertained as you are attending your classes. It is important for your room to have proper lighting. Proper lighting is important for your concentration, because if it's dark and dull, you might be drowsy and sleepy and be bored of whatever you are trying to do or whatever the lecturer is trying to discuss with you in class. So always have proper lighting. With proper lighting, it is important to have a suitable environment to attend your classes. So suitable environment meaning that if you are attending your classes from home, make your family fully aware that you are in class and this is your time to do your work. Or if you are at rest, try to find a place where it is mostly suitable for you to have your discussion or your meeting or your class online. So it is very important to find a conducive and suitable environment. Never ever multitask during class. This is where we have your tabs open, you have your Netflix open, you are trying to complete an assignment. That will never work during your online classes because it steals so much of your attention. Just try to focus on the class you are trying to attend, make notes and close all those tabs, switch off those notifications and focus on one thing. Never ever multitask during your classes. Lastly, have a study group. Have people that you are studying with. Have people that you can call whenever you didn't understand something. Just have people that you can rely on. Study groups can make your online learning mostly effective than trying to understand the whole content or whole module on yourself. So always have people that you are studying with. So that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope these tips will help make your online life better than it is right now. Please do subscribe, share this with people who need or who might need this kind of information, and do leave your comments down below. Tell me what is it that you do, what have you been doing to keep up with this online platform thing. So thank you so much for watching.